Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of software as a service and explore the three crucial phases every SaaS business experiences. From startup challenges to hypergrowth excitement and the stable golden goose phase, watch till end the video and make sure to not miss any of the point. So, let's get started. SaaS model. SaaS stands for software as a service, where software is hosted on a cloud infrastructure and accessed through a web browser. Businesses pay a monthly fee for access, eliminating the need for traditional software licenses and infrastructure investment. Skills needed. Developing a successful SaaS product requires a combination of coding knowledge and user interface design skills to create a valuable and user-friendly solution. Cloud hosting. One of the primary distinctions between SaaS businesses and traditional software companies is that SaaS products are hosted in the cloud. Users simply log into their accounts to access the software. Attractiveness. SaaS is attractive to businesses that want to avoid large capital investments in IT infrastructure. It often becomes a critical part of their operations, such as sales teams using Salesforce or customer service departments using Zendesk. Phases of a SaaS business. Startup phase involves creating the product, programming, and entering the market to acquire the initial customer base. Hypergrowth phase, if the product is well received, rapid growth occurs. However, this growth comes with increased costs due to the need for more resources like data storage and bandwidth to support new customers. Stable golden goose phase. This phase is characterized by a steady and healthy profit. Customer acquisition doesn't strain infrastructure, but the business faces challenges like customer churn. Pros of the SaaS business model. Customer loyalty. SaaS products can foster strong customer loyalty, especially when they are integral to a business's operations. This loyalty can lead to long-lasting customer relationships. Recurring revenue. The SaaS model relies on monthly subscription fees, resulting in a steady stream of recurring income. This consistent cash flow is attractive to businesses. Membership model. Customers become members of the SaaS service, creating a sense of community and exclusivity. Cons of the SaaS model. High initial costs. Starting a SaaS business often requires substantial upfront investments, including hiring skilled developers, programmers, and UI designers. Continuous reinvestment. As the business grows, profits often need to be reinvested to scale operations. This includes expanding data capabilities, ensuring security, and handling maintenance. Complexity. SaaS products can be complex to maintain, even for those with coding knowledge. This complexity can make selling SaaS products more challenging, as the target audience may be narrower compared to other business models. The provided information offers a concise overview of the SaaS model and the typical phases that SaaS businesses go through. It's worth noting that the success of a SaaS company often depends on factors such as product-market fit, effective marketing, and customer retention strategies, especially during the hyper-growth phase. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the SaaS business landscape. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment down if you found this video informative. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.